Right now, let me talk about how you can get the grid lines on the iPhone camera. If you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get it started. So this is what I'm talking about, right? You may not see it right now, but it is there. You can literally see the lines. If I zoom in, it is a little bit harder to notice, but it is definitely there. It's much more noticeable on this dark background, but you can find it inside of the settings, and you just have to go to the camera section and you need to find the grid, right? So this is where it is. It's the grid, and level might help you out as well, but grid are the main lines, right? So this is how you can find it and how you can enable it. And as I said, the point is that you can position your things into the frame. The rule of thumb is that whenever the lines cross there, you should position some of the subject for, I don't know, some cinematic framing and stuff. So that's how it works. That's how you're going to set it up. Keep in mind that if you are using some kind of different app for capturing photos and videos, you'll have to set it up there as well. A lot of people use Final Cut camera, which is actually very professional camera made by Apple. You can get it for free, and in there it works similarly. You need to go there and as well inside of the settings of this app, go to tools and enable the grid overlay, and now it shows up as well. You can see it right there. But my point is that it kind of has to be set up for every camera app that you are using. But that's all. If you like this type of videos where I show you everything you need to know and talk about it in real terms, then subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.